Welcome back to my channel with a new video. UN Youth Biosecurity Fellowship 2025 in Switzerland fully funded. Are you ready to attend a fully funded 5-day youth forum in Geneva, Switzerland? The applications are open to apply for the UN Youth Biosecurity Fellowship 2025 in Switzerland. It is a fully funded fellowship in Geneva organized by the United Nations Office for Disarmament Affairs UNODA. The program consists of 3 months of online workshops and sessions on biosecurity and diplomacy from the 5th of June to the 5th of July 2025. Then, 20 participants will travel to Geneva, Switzerland, for a field visit from the 11th to the 15th of August 2025. The purpose of the fellowship is to engage and empower young leaders in biosecurity. It aims to enhance the knowledge of young individuals in biosecurity and disarmament. The exciting part is there is no application fee and IELTS is not required. More details are as follows, so stay tuned and watch the video till end. Details about UN Youth Biosecurity Fellowship 2025 in Switzerland. Country, Switzerland. Location, Geneva. Funded by United Nations Office for Disarmament Affairs UNODA. Know of participants, 20 benefits fully funded. Deadline, the 7th of April 2025. Financial benefits, the program covers. Round airfare tickets from Switzerland. Free accommodation, official invitation letter for the visa. This program is supported by the European Union, the Global Health Security Fund, the United Kingdom, and Switzerland. Fellowship duration and activities. The program is 3 months long. Fellows participate in an online biosecurity diplomacy workshop from the 5th of June to the 5th of July 2025. A 5-day visit to Geneva from the 11th to the 15th of August 2025. This covers all the expenses. Fellowship objectives: learn and lead, or deepen your expertise in biosecurity and disarmament. Or develop and enhance your leadership skills. Think and act, or engage in discussions with senior experts. Or contribute your voice to multilateral disarmament discussions during relevant meetings. Engage with community, or connect with young experts in an international youth network. Or participate in dialogue between emerging scientists and biological weapons convention BWC practitioners. Eligibility criteria: must be under 35 years of age. Must be a citizen of an eligible country. A BWC state party listed as least developed country is listed here. All eligible nationalities low or middle income BWC state are welcome to apply. Must possess an advanced degree in life sciences or a related discipline from a recognized university or institution. Candidates with backgrounds in social sciences may be considered exceptionally. Undergraduate students can also apply. Female candidates are strongly encouraged to apply. Required documents: CV, recommendation letter, copy of passport. How to apply for the Youth Biosecurity Fellowship 2025 in Switzerland. Applicants have to apply online from the UNODA website. The link to the official website is below in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos.